Hey everyone, this is kind of like one of those day in the life of a real estate agent video here in Tampa Bay. I've got two open houses here in Pinellas County, one in Treasure Island near my home, 3 bed, 2 bath home with a dock and a pool. And it's about 45 minutes away from the second open house I'll be doing in Safety Harbor. So I'm going to take you along on this trip. I'll shrink the 45-minute drive down to about 30 seconds for your benefit. I don't want you to hear all the gangster rap and podcasts that I like to listen to on my long drives. But yeah, it was a wonderful trip. Not a lot of traffic, and the house, when you see it, it's amazing, and I can't wait to show you. All right, we've just arrived. This is a lovely 5 bed, 3 bath home here in Safety Harbor, listed with Trent Smith of Home Trust Realty Group with EXP Realty. And I'm going to give you a tour inside the house. You're going to see bedroom after bedroom, living room after living room. But before we get inside, just look at the outside. I mean, this looks like old Florida. This house is a beautiful mix on the outside and the inside of modern and old school. But it is an indoor outdoor home like I haven't seen. And it actually gives you Western vibes. If you've been in homes in Texas, Colorado, Nevada, Utah, you're going to get a sense that how they mix that type of motif with the tropical feel here in Safety Harbor in Tampa Bay. This is the living room. It's beautiful. I mean, cameras really do not convey the scale and size of a home adequately. The ceilings are 15 feet vaulted. There's the dining room right next to the living room. And beyond the dining room is the kitchen. So look at this great living room, dining room, at the end kitchen combination. And you're gonna get a great sense as we go throughout the open indoor outdoor feel. Let's go to the right. I'll show you the two twin bedrooms that share this bathroom. Bathroom's been renovated. I mean, it's beautiful. The mirrors even, I mean, it's kind of cool. These are twins, so same size, same layout, same windows, same size closet. And with my guess, I think you can fit a nice full-size bed comfortably with some furniture in both rooms. They both have the same ceiling fans and the great view of the front of the home. Perfectly identical to the one on its left. Now we're going to head into the area of the primary suite. It is huge. King size bed comfortably fits in the room. Massive ensuite, vanities, walk-in closet, stand-up shower. This is the deck I want you guys to look. Just a little hint about what we're going to show you. But there's 2 decks on this home. Vanity, deep, huge walk-in closet, bathroom. It almost feels like a spa-like feel. Again, cameras do not do it justice. Shout out to those real estate agents that have camera crew because I'm doing this by myself, but this definitely needed a crew to really convey the sense of scale. We're going to head our way throughout the interior of the home, and that's the fireplace on the right with a nice feature wall. I'll take you through to the deck and look. Not only is the deck wide and spans the entire length of the home, or the width of the home actually, but you have a creek in the back and you have all this nature. It's like a nature preserve. This is the type of area where if you just wanted a nice cup of tea or coffee in the morning, in your robe or in your birthday suit, there is no one looking. Beautiful. I actually wanted to buy this house. Like I started playing the lotto that day. I mean, this view, I mean, it's incredible. And it's Florida. Like, granted, the trees and the nature, they give deep Florida vibes, but the type of scale, because we walked in on the ground floor, but you're actually on the second floor of the home. I hope I'm conveying this. I mean, this is beautiful. The trees, the lush background, and you get the sense you're on the second floor, even though you just walked in through the front door. Ta-da! Here is the kitchen. An island bigger than most beds. I mean, it's amazing the space, the openness, and storage, storage, storage everywhere. The look, everything's new. It is amazing. It really, really feels like more of a hotel is a home situation. And now, you don't see this often in Florida, especially in Pinellas. We're going to the bottom level. This is the two-car garage. Be a nice view of that. But we're gonna head down to the other two bedrooms. So I hardly ever find a home with multi-levels that includes a basement. It's cool. It's new. It actually reminds me more of like New York or Colorado actually. So this is the largest of the bedrooms outside the primary. You can use it as a bedroom. You can use it as an office. I would probably use it as an office. I like the personal space with all the windows and access to the ground floor deck. Entranceway to the backyard and the creek. So yes, this is the deck beneath the deck above. I mean, it is amazing. Just as wide, just as long, so you can have multiple parties, easy access to the nature preserve that you have as a backyard. But it's an amazing like outdoor hosting opportunities. For the price that they're listing at, I mean, this is just an amazing opportunity. Now we're on our way to the den and the next bathroom and bedroom. This is one of the homes where you can have a party downstairs and you could be upstairs just minding your own business, enjoying your day, and get peace from all the noise and the ruckus that might be going downstairs. Fifth and final bedroom has a built-in and a nice sized closet. And again, access to the deck in the backyard. I'm going to take a quick look at the third bathroom. Stand-up shower, cubby for shampoo, soap, etc. Very well lit. And the secondary den. So you really have a nice, separation of spaces for enjoying yourself, and your guests will enjoy it. Again, massive island, massive amounts of countertop space for cooking, prepping food, tons of outlets along the island for all of your devices when everyone's eating while on their phone or their tablets or just doing their work. I mean, the kitchen kind of functions as a multi-purpose space. It's amazing. Fireplace is gorgeous. There's just so much room. Well done, well appointed, and it's bright. The contrasting colors of the dark columns, the beams, and the white walls really gives a good enhanced feeling of space and subtle separations. Like you feel like you're in the living room when you're in the living room, and the dining room when you're in the dining room, and the kitchen, obviously, even though it's all one continuous space. It's beautiful outdoors. This is your front door. It's amazing. I hope you're as impressed with this home as I was. This is a better option for indoor, outdoor, you know, I don't know, like just I can't describe it. I can't articulate it properly, but this is just a nice indoor outdoor home. It has way more of a Rocky Mountain feel. I mean, granted, the trees are not what you'd find in Colorado, Utah, Wyoming, etc. But this is Florida. This is Safety Harbor. This is a beautiful option if you're looking for a 5-bed, 3-bath for $1,100,000. I mean, you can't beat it. I'm looking at a creek. The water is moving. It's beautiful. Like it, the camera almost never does it justice. But if this home or any other here in Safety Harbor or in Pinellas County in general is of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521. Shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. It's on my Instagram and TikTok and all my other social media. And I can hopefully get you a home that you love, especially with the indoor-outdoor feel that this has and the modern amenities that you saw on the inside in the video. All right, talk to you later.